Okay, I've done the splatter paint with all three colors that I want to use. I've got yellow, I've got orange, I've got red. Now I'm going to remove this, and you can see I've already kind of started on this, but I am going to splatter just a little bit more so that I get a little bit of this spatter around, just a little. So I'm gonna load up my brush. I think I want more orange. I'm gonna just get to work. And you'll see outside of my, little foliage that I've got on already, I'm gonna have some that go up into the sky. And that just gives it a little bit more of an artistic look. And now I'm ready. This is mostly dry other than the last little bit that I just put on. I'm ready to do a trunk. And this is the part that might intimidate a few of you. Don't worry about it. I think what I'm gonna do with this is I could do brown. I think I want to try something different. I think I'm going to try a purple. And if I don't like it, I'll add brown over it. So again, remember to add that color. And what I'm doing is I have wet my brush and I'm just kind of rolling it back and forth. I'm not pushing down. I'm just kind of rolling it back and forth in there. Okay. So now I'm ready, and I'm gonna add my trunk. I'm gonna take a little bit of that color off with water. And I'm going to use water to pull the color down into the rest of the paper from there down. I don't want to add more color because I do want it to kind of fade away. And I do like how that looks. One reason may be, and if you remember from our lesson on color schemes, I have contrasting colors here, don't I? Orange and purple are contrasting. I'm gonna pull this up. I might put a little more pigment down. And pull my branches up. And this is where we're gonna start kind of thinking in terms of the letter Y and the letter V. I don't want to add more pigment. And I'm going to get a really small brush. So I'll be right back. I'm going to get a small brush because I'm going to make some little bitty branches up in the tree. Just by pulling these up. I might pull this down a little bit so that it doesn't just look like a big puddle forming there. Pull up, pull up. And it's okay if it looks a little faded. We want that so that it looks like it's behind the foliage. I'm gonna get a little touch more color. Take a little bit of that off with water. And I'm gonna start just having some little branches peeking through, just here and there. I don't want them everywhere. And that'll do it. That's it. I'm done.